All right. So problem number 9 states the radius of a sphere is increasing at a rate of 5 pi centimeters per second. Find the rate of change of the volume when the radius is 3 centimeters. So in this problem, because it states that we're dealing with a sphere, you know that you're going to have to use the volume for the sphere. Oh, I wrote A. I meant to write V there. Sorry about that. Should have said V. So we have V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. All right. Now, we know that the radius of the sphere is increasing at a rate of 5 pi. So what would that be? Do you think that's going to be dv dt or dr dt? That's right. It's going to be dr dt is equal to 5 pi. I'm omitting the units for now, but I'll put the units at the end later for this problem. We have the value of r is equal to 3 centimeters. And what are we trying to find? We're trying to find dv over dt. So what you do is you take the given equation, which is, or formula, known formula, volume equals 4 over 3 pi r cubed, and you take your derivative. But be careful. When I take the derivative of this equation or formula, I take the derivative with respect to time, which we denote as t. All right, so on the left-hand side of your equation, you're going to get dv dt is equal to, well, the derivative of the right-hand side of this equation. Well, if I want a derivative of r cubed, then I have to bring the 3 down. When I take 3 and I multiply by 4 over 3, you should recognize that the 3's will cancel and you'll have a 4 remaining. So you'll have 4 pi r to the second power dr dt. Now, if I want to find my dv dt, all I got to do is just plug in the value of r and dr dt. We get 4 pi times 3 centimeters squared, or just 3 squared. I'm gonna put the units back at the end. Sorry about that. Wait, what's going on? I thought I was just gonna erase. There we go. So we have 3 squared, and then dr dt is 5, or 5 pi. Oopsie. All right, so you just gotta multiply this out now. So what's 4? Well, what's 3 squared? 9. 9 times 4, 36. 36 times 5, 180. So we're going to get 180 pi. This is going to look a little funky. Pi squared, because you actually have to do pi times pi. So you get pi squared. And your units, well, since we're dealing with volume, will be centimeters cubed per second. And that will be your solution to problem number 9.